Today we are exploring probably one of the best industrial URBEX locations to be found in Belgium, a location that was once full of activity and provided work to hundreds of people in the area, now lies dormant and forgotten. The main entrance to the facility was under video surveillance, and there was razor wire all around the factory. So to get inside, we had to climb down a steep embankment and walk across an active railroad. We were lucky to find a gap in the fence and finally stepped foot inside the factory. Once inside, we were very impressed by all the buildings and structures around us. Everything was so giant. It wasn't like anything we had seen before. And then it was time for the highlight of this location, the giant blast furnace. This blast furnace was used to melt down iron ore into liquid hot metal. At the bottom of the blast furnace, hot air with a temperature of 1000 degrees was blown into the oven, melting the iron ores. The blast furnace was an amazing sight to see, but there was still a lot more to discover, like this transport elevator that was used to hoist up the iron ore and dump it into the furnace. Ever since I first saw this location, I wanted to climb to the top of the tower, and today was finally my chance. It was at this point I noticed from the top of the tower that a car was driving around the facility. It had to be security or some kind of property owner, as it otherwise would be impossible to bring the car in. Luckily, after this, we didn't see any more security for the rest of the day, and we could continue our adventure. Blast Furnace B was a really amazing place. I can't imagine what it would have been like in the days it was running. Sadly though, the facility was too big to explore in one day. I really hope I can return someday to explore the rest of it. In December of 2018, permits were filed for the demolition of Blast Furnace B.